Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi and in this video I'll be sharing the most important yet the basic recipe with you all. It's the vegetable stock. It's the most important ingredient in most of the Chinese cooking, especially soups. You can add in your pullav, your curries, vegetables and yes, quinoa too. The veggies I've taken are half carrot, 1 tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, few flowers of broccoli, half onion and fresh black pepper. Now just cut the tomato into bigger pieces. You can cut it roughly into any shape and size. So most probably you will cut in bigger pieces only, and the carrots into again the bigger pieces. So as the more the surface area, more the flavor of the stock will be. Cut the broccoli florets into bigger pieces. You can even take cabbage and cauliflower too. So now I'm just crushing the garlic. As you can clearly see, it has been crushed. Now take a pan and add 2 to 3 glasses of water in it. So after you have added water, now just add black pepper and give it one boil, and later add crushed cloves of garlic to it and rest of the vegetables. So now you need to wait for a boil to come. So after the one boil has come, so now you need to cover it with the lid and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes so as to get the proper flavor of the vegetables. So now it's done. After 25 minutes, I'll just, with the help of a sieve, I'll just take out the fresh vegetable stock from it and transfer in my jar. So your fresh vegetable stock is ready. You can store this for 2 days and use in your Chinese dishes, soups, quinoa, curries, vegetables and pullavs. You can even use the boiled veggies that has been left out. No need to discard. Just grind it in a grinder and add in your soup gravy. In this way the soup gravy will be thicker and less corn flour will be needed to add in your soup to make the gravy. So it's done.